Does anyone want to show off their slap shot? Let's see a yellow. Yeah. Unleash hell. Yeah, I love it. Couple basics. A stride, a glide, and a sweep. Your sweep is only half a second this time. Stride, but your glide should not be like this. Don't point the toe that way. Point the toe at your target. After you set it, come up, down. That's it. Don't come up and forward. Don't come up and out. Just come up, down. The louder, the better. Crank it. Let's be real. Yes, you could have good technique. Yes, you could have a sick-ass hockey stick. But hey, let's see some muscle. Destroy this puck. Point your toes at the net. Set it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right back into line.